This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Item number 3.
Much of this thing has gone, my lord. I heard that the division bench has also, my lord, upheld. Only thing is, my lord, whether your lordship will entertain. The challenge here is, my lord, on a separate footing. We are saying that under the university, only a few colleges are there which, my lord, offers B.Ed. Which offers, my lord, the B.Ed course. But private university, my lord, over 400-500 colleges offer B.Ed course. Now, those colleges have not finished the course, because of which a lot of fresh candidates are not in a position to sit for the exam.
What can be done? They will apply in the next notification.
It's their last age barrier.
Settled situation. On the last date of the filing of application, you have to obtain the qualification. If it is not, then there will be no end of it, Mr. Chaudhary.
There's no end to it.
Those who are pursuing MA course, they will come. Those who will pursuing B.Ed course, they will come. There will be no end to it.
But only thing is, my lord, if you look at
admittedly you are not having B.Ed qualification on 21st of July, that is the last date, extended last date, then you have no right.
Only thing is that I would have had if these colleges had completed. That's number one. Number two is,
and not only this court does not have any, it is not within the domain of this court to extend the time. Because a court has to complete, the SSC has to complete the process by 31st December. And I have held in OBC A category matter, where also similar prayer, but the ground was different, issue was different. Similar prayer was made that 31st May 2025 was fixed as the cutoff date for issuing a recruitment notification. And 31st December 2025 has been fixed as cutoff date for completing the selection method. So for the submission of forms, there is no cutoff date. So this can be extended beyond that. At that point of time, it was 7th of July, 14th of July. Now, subsequently, it has been extended to 21st July. Now, I have held that if this last date is extended, then it will have a cascading effect
on that
in order, and that will prevent the authorities to bring the recruitment process to the logical conclusion.
That's right, totally
logical end. So, therefore, there is no scope. So far, the time schedule which has been fixed in the order dated 17th April 2025, that cannot be tinkered with.
I appreciate. Otherwise, I would have really pressed.
Otherwise, court would have. That's why on the very day when these matters were moved, I had to dispose of this matter by taking a decision.
No, I appreciate.
Otherwise, for our delay, and at the same time, Honorable Division Bench has also disposed it of very fast, all the matters.
All matters.
Considering the time schedule fixed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the order dated 17. Now, if you come with a plea that there are certain candidates not having the prescribed qualification on the last date of submitting application, nothing can be done.
No, yeah, can't not disturb your lordship more.
There is a specific category bar. The rule provides that you have to have it. And my lord, I'm for the
rule of 2025. Show me that rule.
You'll never finish. You'll never finish within time.
It will never end.
Rule 10, clause B.
Better. May I have my lord see?
ইউনিভার্সিটি একটা কথা বলে দেবো যে ওরা আগে থেকে জানতো যেটা সে ডিলে হবে।
Yes, right.
And my lord, I'm for the university, my lord.
And now the last date is 21st of July. Yes. It was initially 14th.
Yes.
Now it has been extended to 21st.
That was extended.
All are non-B.Ed candidates.
Yes.
There is also an application for addition of parties.
Application for addition of party. By whom?
1, 2, and 3.
By you are appearing for the applicants for being added as a party petitioners or respondents?
Petitioners.
As petitioners. Where is the recruitment notification dated 30th May 2025?
In the jam, Milord.
No, in the main read petition. Do you have the recruitment notification?
Page 429, my lord. Page 429, volume 2.
এই ক্যানগুলো সরাও তো
429 and 30. 429 and page 430, my lord.
Where is the recruitment notification in your read petition?
Yes, my lord.
Advocates are more interested in mentioning the matter. While matters are being taken up, queries are not answered.
My lord, P6, my lord.
Page
429.
This read 429. Where is the recruitment notification dated 30th May? Yes, 415.
Annex P.
Issue. Is a deficit court fee. Have you deposited? Deficit court fee.
We have deposited each and everything.
Where is the document in support of depositing deficit court fee?
There was no deficit.
There was no deficit. How many petitioners are there?
54, my lord.
And in respect of 54 petitioners, you have deposited court fee. In online mode?
No, my lord. Manually.
Time total. Court fee. You have deposited court fee in respect of one petitioner. দেখাও 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 200 টাকা দেখাও matter has been mentioned at least on 5 times.
It was upgraded. It was at the back of the list.
Yes, and without any notice.
Where is the deficit court fee?
No, I paid during the course of
Sorry. And when court is asking, you are saying yes. When court is asking, you are saying yes. The court cannot rely upon the learned advocates. These are the things which are to be checked up by High Court.
I beg your apology.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioners is taken on record. By presenting this writ petition, comma, inter alia, comma, petitioner has questioned recruitment notification. Petitioner has questioned West Bengal School Service Commission for within bracket selection for appointment to the posts of assistant teachers for upper primary level of classes within bracket except work education and physical education close bracket, comma, classes 9 and 10 and classes 11 and 12 close bracket rules, comma, 2015. as well as recruitment notification dated 30th May 2025 issued under memo number 1092/37016/C SSC/ESTT/2025. Stop. Petitioners are untrained candidate not possessing B.Ed qualification as on date. But prayer is made in this writ petition to permit them to fill up forms in terms of recruitment notification dated 30 May 2025. In alternative, submission is made by Mr. Chaudhuri, learned senior advocate, representing the petitioners. The time to submit application for offering candidature in the ensuing selection process may be extended beyond 21st July 2025 in order to permit the petitioners to obtain B.Ed qualification or to obtain training qualification within bracket B.Ed. DLED is also approved qualification.
No, not for 9.
Only B.Ed.
Only B.Ed.
To obtain training qualification within bracket B.Ed within the extended time. Next paragraph. Dr. Shutanu Patro, learned advocate representing West Bengal Central School Service Commission, has opposed the prayer made in this writ petition upon placing reliance on Rule 10 of the said rules of 2025. Said rules of 2025. It is submitted in terms of Rule 10. That applications needs to be submitted online within such time and in such manner as may be specified by the Commission in the advertisements, and educational and professional qualifications and requisite educational and professional qualifications shall have to be obtained by all candidates on or before the last date of receiving online applications. Stop. Once last date has been fixed on 21st May 2025. Same cannot be relaxed. Stop. Moreover, reliance is placed on the order dated 17th April 2025 passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on miscellaneous application number 709 of 2025, which was filed by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education in connection with civil appeal number 4805 of 2025, in order to demonstrate before this court that a time schedule has been fixed by the Honorable Supreme Court to bring the ensuing recruitment process into logical conclusion. Next paragraph, West State Respondents and West Bengal Board of, where is board? Board is not there.
But I'm university, my lord. I'm for the university.
State respondents, university has nothing to say.
Yes, my lord.
You take your seat. State respondents and university are represented by learned advocates. Next paragraph. taking note of the submissions made on behalf of the parties, it transpires that indisputably petitioners are not possessing training qualification within bracket B.Ed as on date, whereas last date for submission of forms by the eligible candidates has been fixed by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission within bracket for short commission on 21st July 2025. Stop. It is also not the submission, it is also not the contention of the petitioners that by last date fixed by the commission, they will be able to obtain such qualification. Stop. In view of, in consideration of these facts and taking note of the Rule 10 of the rules of 2025, said rules of 2025, wherein it has specifically been provided that applications shall have to be submitted online within such time and in such within such time as may be specified by the commission in the advertisement, and requisite educational and professional qualifications as per advertisements shall have to be obtained by all candidates on or before last date of receiving online applications. Prayer of the petitioners cannot be exceeded to. Next paragraph. This court is not oblivious of the order, this court is not oblivious of the directions as contained in the order dated 17th April 2025, passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on miscellaneous application number 709 of 2025, wherein by fixing a time schedule, it was directed that concerned respondent authorities to conclude to bring the ensuing recruitment process into logical conclusion by 31st December 2025. Stop. Next paragraph. In view of aforesaid considerations, no relief or in aforesaid context, in aforesaid context, no relief can be granted to the petitioners. Stop. Writ petition stands dismissed. Stop. Urgent Jalak Circuit.
Grateful.
Are dismissed. Tarpore applications, connected applications are also connected applications also stand dismissed. কি লাগবে তোমার, কি লাগবে সবই তো তোমার কাছে আছে।